1, 2, 3. Alright, what's up guys? Today we're in the trusty little ML. We're going to fill up the nitrous bottle so we can do the 100 shot today. We're going to get a new battery for the SLK, a lighter one, and the one we got is kind of poo-poo. So we're going to go on that little adventure today. Here we go. Right, so we're dropping off the nitrous bottle, and these time of needs you gotta drop stuff off and then come pick it up. So it's kind of like a drug deal. I drop off the nitrous bottle in the ice, and then I wait like an hour or two and it fills up. Alright, with our adventures, we got the bottle filled up, and then I got a new battery for the death-kart, a little bit lighter, hopefully. Now let's lay this down like a little baby, and then I'll use the battery to keep it from slamming around. Ooh, nice and cold. Alright, let's head back home now. Alright, so we got the new bottle. Yeah, and it is actually right around 24 pounds, so perfect. And then, got my new battery. And this one is 25.2. So we'll pull the old battery out and see what that weighs. And hopefully this takes care of one of those problems. This is definitely a smaller battery. It's rated at 540, cold cranking, 675. And it fits pretty nicely in here. And I think I dropped, I'll double check. I'm going to pull the other battery over and see what I weigh. But it feels like 10 pounds lighter. But let's make sure it goes in this car even fires. Nicely in there. Fits pretty effing good. Let's go see how much the other battery weighs. So this one, they got basically the same stats and all that stuff. Yeah. 38.4. So pretty good loss in weight on the nose. Now let's throw this bottle in. All right, we're ready to jump this bottle in. I definitely need to get a nicer mount. Because this sucks a little bit. Get the warmer on, a little blinky. Bottle in, I'm tightening these up. I put a 90 here to kind of have the gauge face towards me a little bit. It's still facing like effing this way, so I'll have to think of something else out. But I can still just lean over and look at it at least. Before I would have to look over that way. But we're getting close to be able to test it. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but if you see the gauge now, we're idling. We're still above like 500 idle, and we're at right around 16. Which that is still pretty lean from what I understand being on idle. I was at like 22, 23 originally, but I had all those air leaks that with the smoke machine, I've been sealing them left and right, and it looks like they made a huge effing difference. So we're gonna go take the car out with, now we got the 100 shots in there, we got a brand new bottle. I'm hoping the gauge won't leak because we redid the gauge setup, and I'm hoping that it won't leak from the nozzles over there with fuel and all that, but we're gonna bring a couple cameras and we're gonna try to monitor stuff, but hopefully everything goes good. Alright, this is going to be the first hit we did with the nitrous. Sorry if the camera's kind of bumpy. We got like 3 cameras going right now, so I don't have the best mounts on right now. Hopefully don't blow, knock on wood. Alright, that one slammed really effing hard. We're gonna try again. I gotta watch that actual gauge this time to see stuff. Alright, you ready? We're at right on 900 bottle pressure. 20 roll. And at this moment, I was like, oh, hootenanny. Here I come, Dino. Alright, it's gonna be our third pull. Knock on wood, everything goes okay. Sorry if the camera's all jacked up on my face, but we're dealing with stuff. Alright, it's gonna be our third pull. Knock on wood, everything goes okay. Sorry if the camera's all jacked up on my face, but we're dealing with stuff. Making it back home, we're gonna check everything out because we did about like 4 or 5 pulls. We did a dig. It spun the tires in the dig, and the throttle body closed. It was just it was a cluster F. But let's go check the car. Let me make sure this is closed. It's closed. Off, off, off. All right, let's go check the car running. Pretty good. The motor's not hopping all around. I don't think we get any damage. Alright, I think we're good. For how hot everything else is, this intake manifold's cold. Well, I mean, to a point. Like, if you grab the intake, that's boiling. That nitrous really cooled down this manifold a lot. Like, I could actually put my weight on it compared to this. Let's check our new battery, make sure that didn't get knocked out. Oh yeah, good old Walmart battery. So with the Walmart battery, we dropped, I gotta double check, I think it was like 10 pounds off the nose, and this is still a full-size effing battery with the same ratings that the other one came out with, and I got a year warranty on it with Wall World. What else did we do? We fixed that line. The line's not blowing off anymore. I think everything's going pretty good. Also, what I want to do is I'm probably going to redo this intake a little bit because I'm probably going to go straight forward because I don't need this tucked in look or anything anymore. So I'm going to change that out most likely on this car. That way it just gets straight power into it, more of a Ram style, but it's pretty fun. I will say that for filling up nitrous bottles, you probably get on a 75 shot, I think we got like 25 runs out of it. So maybe this 100 we get 15 runs, and it being $6 a pound right now for 60 bucks, and you could get like all that fun. I think it's good. And so far with this little, it's still effing cold. So even with this little like 3.2 liter V6, it's holding up for 100 shot. No tuning, no nothing, just intake and custom built exhaust, and then the throttle body and little things here and there, but pretty nice.
It definitely felt faster from the last hit, from the last nitrous hits.
Yeah, and then we did a couple pulls, not on camera, just normal. It feels like a dog when you compare it to the 100 shot pool. Because this is a 215 horsepower motor, and now with extra 100 shot, not bad. Alright. Hey guys, hope you liked the video of the death cart. With the 100 shot and all the little air leaks cleaned up and the exhaust going good right now, that car it's a really fun car now. It pushes back pretty effing hard. And if you actually look at the video, if you go back to, I try to sync them up almost perfectly, but if you look at the clip where you see the tire, you could actually see how much the car is slamming back onto it. And that way, you don't think when I get slammed back or when my buddy got slammed back like we were faking it, you could actually see the car just like hunker down. And we luckily got the suspension because before, I don't know if you remember, it was hunkering down and wear away the tire. We got it almost like perfect where it fits right under there and it just squats. And all that weight gets slammed to the back end. And that new battery, I think it was like 15 or 10 pounds later, all that stuff is effing helping. The car fires up, the car runs good. The AEM air fuel gauge, it's working really well. I might get it tuned. I don't know if I'm going to get them to put so much timing advance on it. Maybe just get rid of the limiters, because I think that's what's killing me right now off the line, because when I hit it out of the hole, it kind of like, the blade closes and everything, it fights itself. So I think I need to try to get that deleted, try to get the ESP fixed, which I already got parts and connectors coming in for that, because I'm 90% sure I figured it out now. But the car it is hootin' any fun. I will say that, and even with 2 people on it, you saw how fast that thing flies. And I have a lot more weight to strip out of it. Other plans that we're going to be doing with the car is I already looked at it. There's a couple kits that people use for drifting. They're basically a tubular bumper setup. Like you buy the kit for like $100 to $200. There's a couple different ones. And you get a whole kit of pre-bent stuff and then you just cut the fit. I want to try that because I want to get my welding better. I want to just, and the only way I'm going to learn that is either pay to go to effing school, which I'm not going to do that, just practice and repetition. So I'm going to be doing that soon in the next upcoming video. But the death cart is running so good right now, I think I might keep it how it is for the event that's coming up. And then I'm going to start doing the next couple videos will be the black CLK. And then I got almost all the parts in, hopefully to fix the E55. That one is a fingers crossed that I got to rip all that apart. That's going to be like a 2-day thing. But the things we got for the black CLK, I think you're really going to like that too. That'll be the next upcoming videos. And hope you guys enjoy. Hit that subscribe button. See you later. Oh, little lady. Little lady. Oh, and so token days is going to be 3 weeks from today. So today should be Friday the 1st. So we're going to try to do the weekend of the 15th, 16th, and 17th. So it'll be pretty fun. We're going to meet a couple buddies. We'll go down to Mexico, go a couple hits. And then that should be on the channel, all that stuff in a little bit. So you got that to look forward to. And, oh, if you haven't subscribed yet and you still wait all the way to the end of these videos, just go hit that subscribe button and that like button. Or throw me a comment or something. See if you like the new shirts that will be coming out. I'll show you the front and back soon. But see you guys later.